Are you interested in creating professional-looking graphics without spending money on expensive design software? Welcome to Samin Canva Tutorials, where today you'll learn graphic design tips and tricks using Canva's free version. Canva is one of the easiest tools for beginners, content creators, students, and small businesses. Whether you want to design Instagram posts, presentations, posters, resumes, or YouTube thumbnails, Canva makes graphic design simple. First, head over to canva.com and create your free account. Once you're signed in, choose what type of design you want to create. Canva offers thousands of free templates for social media posts, flyers, presentations, and more. Templates save time and give you a professional starting point. Now here's tip number 1, keep your design simple. Avoid overcrowding your layout with too much text or too many elements.